Hey guys, wanna know how to uninstall Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's go straight to it. Now first up, once you're on your Windows right here, just simply open up your search bar or just simply press the Windows button on your keyboard. Now once that is done, search up for Wondershare Filmora. Right click on it and then select uninstall. Now this will open another window that is add and remove programs. Now scroll down and search up for Wondershare Filmora. And here you can see Wondershare Filmora 14. Right click on it again and then select uninstall. Now you will be prompted with this uninstall setup. Now you can choose the reason on why you uninstall Filmora. You can just simply click other and then select continue. Now just simply press remove and there you have it. Now your uninstall process has begun. And that's it. Your deletion process has finished and your Filmora has been officially uninstalled. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.